Hello students, now we will see the 7th standard mathematics 3rd chapter algebra. In this chapter, the geometrical proof of the identities x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab, and a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The last one is a plus b into a plus b is equal, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Before that, we will see the introduction to identities. We have learned the lower classes to construct algebraic expressions using exponential notations. What is exponential notation means? For example of that one, x square plus 3x plus 2. Exponential is nothing but the power form. What is identities means? The algebraic equalities which hold true for all the values of the variables are called identities. Identities is nothing but formula, that is we can substitute in the variable a and b or x and y, substitute the numerical value that which hold all the values of the variables is known as identities. Next, geometrical approach to multiplication of monomials. What is monomial means? An expression contains only one term is known as monomial. For example, x or x square, y square, etc. These are the example for monomials. Product of monomials is also a monomial. For example, we can multiply a is a monomial and x is another monomial. We can multiply these two. A is a constant, a into x, ax. That is also a monomial. Next, if the variables are same in both the monomials, then multiply the monomial coefficient of the two monomials separately. Next one, multiply the same variable by using the product rule of exponents, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Now we will see the geometrical proof of identities. The first identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. We can consider a rectangle of length x plus a and breadth x plus b. We can multiply. Then what is the area of this rectangle is length into breadth, that is what area. Therefore, that is equal to x plus a into x plus b. We can consider this square as square means all the four sides are equal. We can consider here the length is x plus a. We can split it into two, that is here AF length is x, FB is a. Similarly, AE x, EB, EDB. Here DH is x, HC is a, and BG is x and GC is b. Now we can find out the area of this one. First here these two sides are equal means that is square. Therefore x into x is x square, that is the area of this value. Similarly here three triangles are rectangles are here. Therefore here length is a, breadth is x. Then what is the area of this rectangle means a into x. And here the length is x, breadth is b. Then what is the area? B into x, bx. Here length is a and breadth is b. Then area is ab. Therefore, then we want to find the area of this whole rectangle is equal to, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to sum of these areas, that is x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. That is equal to x square, right as it is. In these two terms x is common, therefore plus x into a plus b plus ab as it is. Therefore we have the formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Hence the identity is proved. Then second identity, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can consider the rectangle, length is a plus b and breadth is a plus b. Therefore totally that is a square. Therefore here length and breadths are equal. Therefore this is square. Therefore a plus b into a plus b, that is equal to a plus b the whole square is equal to sum of all the four areas, that is a square plus ba plus ab plus b square. Therefore that is equal to a square. Here ba we can write ab, therefore ab plus ab plus b square. Therefore that is equal to a square, write as it is, ab plus ab, that is 2 times. Therefore we can add these two, we get 2ab plus b square as it is. Therefore the proof is over. Next we will see the factorization using identities. What is factorization means? The algebraic expressions also have factors that divide the expressions exactly. Given an algebraic expressions, the factors of that algebraic expressions are two or more expressions whose product is the given expression. For example, we can factorize the expression x square minus 4 is equal to, we can write this 4 as 2 square. Here apply the formula a square minus b square, we have a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2. Therefore the factors of x square minus 4 as x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now we will see the exercise 3.1. The first one, filling the blanks. First one, p minus q the whole square is equal to, here apply the formula a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore in the place of a we have p, in the place of b we have q. Therefore we can expand this as a p square minus 2pq plus q square. The next one, the product of x plus 5 and x minus 5. Here apply the formula a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. In the place of a as x, in the place of b is 5. Therefore we can write x plus 5 into x minus 5, that is equal to x square minus 25. That is 5 square is 25. Third one, the factors of x square minus 4x plus 4. We can write this 4 as 2 square, this 4x as 2 into x into 2. Therefore in this expansion we have a minus b the whole square formula. Therefore we can write a as 6, a as x and b as 2. We can apply a minus b the whole square, we get x minus 2 the whole square. Whole square means we can write 2 times. Therefore x minus 2 into x minus 2. Fourth one, express 24ab square c square as the product of its factors is, we can write prime factors 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then the factors of this variable as a as, write as it is, b square as b into b and also c square as c into c. These are the factors. Then second one, say whether the following statements are true or false. First one, 7x plus 3 into 7x minus 4 is equal to, here apply the formula x plus a into x minus b. Apply the formula, we get 49x square minus 7x minus 12, that is true. Second one, a minus 1 the whole square. Here this is, here apply the formula a minus b the whole square formula, that is not equal to a square minus 1. Therefore this is false. Third one, x square plus y square into y square plus x square. Here we can write y square plus x square, right, in alphabetic order, x square plus y square. Therefore these two brackets are same. Therefore we can write the exponential form, that is x square plus y square the whole square. Therefore this is true. Next, fourth one, 2p is the factor of 8pq. That is factor. We can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 into pq. Therefore here 2p is a factor. Therefore this is true. Third one, express the following as the product of its factors. that is prime factors. 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, a as it is, b square as b into b, c square as c into c, that is prime factors. Next, second one is 36 x power 3 y square z. 36 prime factors is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then x power 3 is, write 3 times, x into x into x. Y square is write 2 times, y into y, z as it is. Then third one, 56 m n square p square. 56 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. M write as it is, n square is n into n, p square is p into p. These are the product of its factors. Next, fourth one, using the identity x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Using this formula, we can find the product of x plus a, x plus 3 into x plus 7. Here we can use this formula. In the place of a we have 3, in the place of b we have 7. Therefore write this formula and substitute a and b values, then expand. Here this is the formula here given. Therefore here a value is 3 and b value is 7. Write the question x plus 3 into x plus 7. Then using this formula expand x square plus x into a plus b value is 3 plus 7 plus a into b, that is 3 into 7. Then we can add these two, we get 10. Multiply these two, we get 27. This is the answer. Then second one, 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 5y. Using this formula, here in the place of x we have 4x, in the place of a we have 3y, in the place of b we have 5y. Therefore apply this formula. Therefore x the whole square, that is 4x the whole square, plus x, that is 4x into a plus b, that is 3y plus 5y, plus a into b, 3y into 5y. Then 4 the whole square, 16x square, plus 4x as it is. Adding these two, we get 8y plus 3y into 5y. Multiply the coefficients first, that is 3 5s are 15 into y, that is y square. Now this 16x square write as it is, plus 4 8s are 32 into x into y, plus 15y square. This is the answer. Next, fifth one, expand the following squares using suitable identities. First one, 2x plus 5 the whole square. Here what is the formula here apply means a plus b the whole square. First write the formula. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5. Therefore 2x plus 5 the whole square is a square, that is 2x the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 5 plus b square, that is 5 square. Then 2 square, 2 is, this power is common to these two terms, therefore 2 square is 4 into x square, plus we can multiply the coefficients, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 into x, plus 5 square is 25. Similarly the second one, b minus 7 the whole square. Here apply the formula a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is b and b is 7. Therefore b minus 7 the whole square is equal to b square minus 2 into b into 7 plus 7 square. Therefore that is equal to b square is equal to 2 7s are 14 into b, 14b plus 7 square, that is what, 49. Sixth one, using the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore first one, p plus 2 into p minus 2. We can apply this formula. Therefore here in the place of a we have p, in the place of b we have 2. Therefore p square minus 2 square, p square right as it is, 2 square is 4. Similarly the second one, 6x plus 7y into 6x minus 7y. Apply the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In the place of a we have 6x, in the place of b we have 7y. Therefore that is equal to 6x the whole square minus 7y the whole square. Expand this value, that is 6 square is 36 into x square minus 7 square is 49 into y square. Next, seventh one, evaluate the following using suitable identity. The first one, 51 square. 51 square we can write 51 as 50 plus 1 the whole square. Therefore, we can apply here the formula is a plus b the whole square. That is a is 50, b is 1. Therefore, 50 square, this is the formula, plus 2 into 50 into 1 plus 1 square. 50 square we can write 5 square is 25, then double 0, plus 2 5s are 10, then 1 0, plus 1 square is 1. Adding these three values we get 2601. The next one, 998 the whole square. We can round up this value as 1000 minus 2. Therefore, 1000 minus 2 the whole square. Here apply the formula a minus b the whole square. A is 1000, b is 2. Therefore, a square is 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. 1000 square means write double time. That is here 3 zeros, right? Double time means 6 zeros minus 2 2s are 4. Here 3 zeros is the right as it is. 2 square is 4. Then adding these two values and subtract 4000, we get 9,96,004. And sixth sum, 51 into 52. We can write 51 as 50 plus 1 and 52 as 50 plus 2. Therefore, here apply the formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. That is equal to x square plus x is 50, a is 1, b is 2 plus 1 2s are 2. This value is 2500. Here 50 into 3 plus 1 2s are 2. Therefore, here this is as it is, 53s are 150 plus 2. Adding these three values we get 2652. Next, eighth sum, simplify a plus b the whole square is equal a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. We can simplify this using the formula a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab as it is. Then subtract these two. These two are like terms. Subtract these two, we get minus 2ab. Therefore, a square and b square as it is. Subtract these two, we get minus 2ab. This is here the formula a minus b the whole square. Therefore, we can write this as a minus b the whole square. Ninth one, show that m minus n the whole square plus m plus n the whole square is equal to 2 times of m square plus n square. Therefore, left hand side we can assume, apply a minus b the whole square, here a plus b the whole square, expand, we get the result. LHS at what? M minus n the whole square plus m plus n the whole square. Here a minus b the whole square formula. Here a plus b the whole square. But these two are same term but opposite sign. Therefore, this is cancelled. M square plus m square 2m square. N square plus n square 2n square. Therefore, in these two terms 2 is common. Take outside. That is 2 times of m square plus n square. We get the right side value. That is RHS. Hence proved. 10th sum, if a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is 18, find the value of a square plus b square. Here given these two values, find out this. Therefore, here a plus b is given. Therefore, apply the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here substitute a plus b is 10. Therefore, 10 square is equal to, this is unknown, right as it is, plus 2 into ab. ab is 18. Therefore, we can multiply these two, we get 36. 10 square is 100. That is equal to a square plus b square plus 36. Therefore, this is equal to 100 minus 36. Subtract these two, we get 64. Therefore, this is the answer. 11th one, factorize the following algebraic expressions by using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The first one, z square minus 16. Z square minus 16. 16 is 4 square. Therefore, here a is z, b is 4. Apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, we get the answer z plus 4 into z minus 4. The next one is 9 minus 4y the whole square. 4y square. 9 is, we can write 3 square minus 4 is 2 square. Totally, we can write this as 2y the whole square. After that, we can apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A is 3, b is 2, 5. That is, we get 3 plus 2y into 3 minus 2y. The third one, 25 a square minus 49 b square. We can write 25 as 5 square. Totally, we can write 5a the whole square. 49 is we can write 7 square, totally 7b the whole square. After that, we can apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then fourth one, x power 4 minus y power 4. Power 4 we can write 2 square the whole square, that is x square the whole square, minus we can write y power 4 as y square the whole square. In the place of a we have x square, in the place of b we have y square. Therefore we can write a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. Here we no formula, no identity set of right as it is. Here once again apply the formula a square minus b square, that is x plus y into x minus y. This is the final answer. Next one, factorize the following using the suitable identity. Factorize. First one, x square minus 8x plus 16. X square minus 8x plus 16. Here the first term is square, means we can write 16 as 4 the whole square. Therefore, the middle value should be minus 2ab is there. Here minus sign is there, the minus. We can write this 8x as 2ab form. Therefore, this is in a minus b the whole square format. Therefore, that is we can write a is x, b is 4. Therefore, a minus b the whole square. Whole square means we can write double time, that is x minus 4 into x minus 4. The next one, y square plus 20y plus 100. Here the first one is y the whole square, the last one 100 is 10 square. The middle value should be, here plus means plus 2ab form. This is 2 into y into 10, we get 20y. Therefore, here we can write a plus b the whole square, a is y, b is 10, totally y plus 10 the whole square. Whole square we can write double time, y plus 10 into y plus 10. Then objective type questions, if a plus b is equal to 5 and a square plus b square equal to 13, then find ab. Here given these two values, therefore apply the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore substitute a plus b is 5 and a square plus b square equal to 13. This 2ab as it is. Then 5 square is 25 is equal to 13 plus 2ab. This is numerical value to left hand side. Therefore 25 minus 13 is equal to 2ab. From that 2ab is equal to 12. From that 2ab equal to 12 we can write from AB is equal to 12 by 2. Product form, that should be in denominator, that is 12 by 2, that is 6. Therefore, we get AB is 6. Then 14th sum, 5 plus 20 into minus 20 minus 5. What is the answer? That is, we can add these two. 5 plus 20 is 25. We can, both are same, we can add minus 25. Then multiply these two, we get minus 625. 15th one, the factors of x square minus 6x plus 9. Here first one is square number, the last one also square number, that is we can write 9 as 3 square. Therefore here apply the formula a minus b the whole square, that is x minus 3 the whole square, that is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 3. The last one, the common factors of the algebraic expressions a x square y, b x y square and c x y z. Common factors means collect the common values. We can write a x square y as a into x into y. Similarly, b x y square as b into x into y. The last one c x y z, that is in power is 1, therefore write as it is. In these three monomials, which one is the common term means here x is common and also y. Therefore, the common factors is equal to x into y. This is the answer. Therefore, 3.1 is over.